Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and it's that time of day and month again, where I'm able to share with you guys the top 10 apps for this month of June. So let's begin. So the first one will be Newsify. So Newsify is a RSS reader. So yes, I still use RSS readers. I use it to keep up with a lot of blogs I like to read about throughout the day and every day. Some stuff is about Apple news, others about Android news, and others about other technology stuff that's going around in the world. So Newsify allows me to keep up with every blog without having to open every single without having to open a single link from Safari and creating a lot of tabs on my computer. So that's why I like using Newsify because I get to follow all my blogs in one place. Next, we have Halide, if I'm pronouncing that right. So Halide is a great camera app. It's a great option for an iPhone camera app for your iPhone that takes amazing pictures and supports RAW if your iPhone supports it as well. Uh, so with Halide, of course, you'll be able to use some machine learning to take some great photos, and share them, of course, on social network. One of my favorite features on Halide is peak, if I'm remembering the future. So with peak, of course, if you have something really small like a little lizard or a little toy you want to take a picture of, with peak you'll be able to concentrate on that little object and take a nice clear picture, and the background will be all nice and blurred out, a bit like portrait mode on the iPhone 7. So yeah, highly great camera app option if you're not a fan of the default Apple camera on the iPhone. Next, we have Today Weather. So with Today Weather, it's a great simple option of a weather app. It's nicely designed, super simple to use, and I love the pictures that you get every day. A new picture you get, and it'll tell you, of course, some details about the weather forecast. And then of course you can see 24 hours. And what I like about when you open the app, of course, is the small little animations that you get. If it's raining, it will have a little animation of some rain falling with thunder and lightning. Or if it's sunny, you'll have a sun just turning around. So it's a really great and fantastic weather app with a lot of information that you get to see on Today Weather. Next, we have Things. So Things is my favorite productivity app right now on iOS. I use it every day to create reminders, to create short notes about stuff that I need to get done, or just things I need to be reminded of a later week. Like for this video, I had to use Things, of course, to write some stuff down for some apps, and that's why I love using Things right now. Next, we have Pedometer. So right now it's nice and warm. It's nice. It's summer. You should be walking every day at least for 10 minutes or more. I like going for walks for an hour or more every night. And with Pedometer, I like just seeing how much steps I take every day. And it's just really nice to see your health stats and your step stats of how far you could walk maybe one day and maybe how far you don't walk the next day. So that's why I love Pedometer. It's a really simple way to keep track of your steps. Next, we have Power 2. So Power 2 is a fantastic Apple Watch app, which keeps track of your power for your iPhone from the Apple Watch. So you can add it to a watch face, and from the watch face you'll be able to see how much power your iPhone has. If you don't want to take it out from a pocket, or maybe you just want to know quickly how much power your iPhone has. Next, we have PCAL. So PCAL is a fantastic calculator app for your iPhone. It's one of the top calculator apps there. If you're doing some really hardcore scientific work, it's perfect for you. But if you're just looking for a nice, beautiful calculator app, I highly recommend you guys go check out PCAL. And with the new update that the developer has released, you can now change its icon to other icon designs that the developer has released for PCAL. Next, we have Data Man. So with Data Man, of course, you could keep track of your data usage every month. So I like having it because it just allows me to see how much data I have, even though with my plan I'm able to have unlimited data, but just to see how much I use every month. It's great to see. And it's just a really great app if you want to keep track of your data and you don't want to pass your data limit, if you have a data limit on your plan. Next, we have Twitter. So Twitter had a big redesign change this month. A fantastic redesign change as well with live counters, which work really nice and neat. So if you are a top Twitter user, you're gonna love it. This design change, and it's just really easy to use and nice and sleek as well. And not least but not last, the last app of this month is Monument 2. So Monument 2 is the sequel to Monument Valley. The first one, which was a fantastic game, Monument Valley 2 is also another fantastic game and a great sequel to it. And it's just really beautiful game that I highly recommend you guys go check out and play if you haven't played it this month. So that's it. Those are the top 10 apps for this month. And yeah, so if you guys would love to keep track of me on YouTube and everything, please do subscribe or like this video because that helps. And that's it for now, guys, and I will see you guys later. Peace.